today's episode, we'll be opening surprise eggs.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Okay, so first I'll be opening the Paw Patrol one. Okay, I wonder what this is gonna be.
Yeah, you know. I heard they have some good surprises.
Let's see. What is this? Oh, a half-broken pencil.
Wow, what pencil?
What am I gonna use this for? Worst surprise ever. Ugh, I wonder how your guys' are gonna be.
Hi. First I'm going to go with this Paw Patrol.
Here's the egg.
Oh,
Okay.
I hope she gets a good one.
I know. Okay, let's see. Open it.
It's candy.
What?
What?
What the? It's half.
What is the meaning to this?
It's half a pistachio shell.
Just to
Here you
tell
go, Layla.
Never get these. What?
I'm so confused. What was that?
Okay, now your turn.
I already did mine.
Okay. Okay, so I'm the last person, and this is the last egg. It's a Ninja Turtle egg. See? Okay. So I hope it's a really good one.
Me too.
What?
What is it? What the heck is that?
Look, it's kind of like a goldfish, but
show it.
it's a gold.
What the heck is
It's
that?
already bitten.
It's
Somebody already ate it.
This is the worst kid surprise egg thing ever.
Okay, wait, just to tell you, just to tell you, never get these eggs. They're so bad. Mommy, why'd you buy these eggs?
Yeah.
They're horrible.
Sorry.
And I buy. Okay, this is my last egg. I don't want to even open the other eggs because they're so bad.
Worst eggs ever.
Okay, well, stay tuned for our next episode. I hope it's better than this. Okay. Well,